Everyone. Now I would like to invite our resource person of the next session. We have with us Dr. RCSharma. Sir is presently working as an associate professor of instructional design, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, New Delhi. Earlier, he has taught educational technology and learning resources at WOU University, Malaysia. He is an expert in open and distance and technology mediated learning and has served as a visiting professor at several universities worldwide. He has been a member of advisory group on human resources development for the United Nations conferences on trade and development. He is the editor of Asian Journal of Distance Education and has been associated with several other peer-reviewed journals. Sir is a practitioner promoting open educational resources. Today, he is going to give his session on AI tools for higher education. Sir, we are really honored to have you here with us. I once again welcome you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Priyanka. And okay, let me first share my screen. Friends, at the outset, because you have a very engaging session just now by Dr. Srinivas, and there are so wonderful things he has shared with you. So we will be going with some of the things which you can implement in your teaching learning. And let us have a tiger in our class first. Okay, so, and you can try this along with me. You need to have your mobile phone with you. Okay, if it doesn't work in some of the cases, then it is not the fault of your phone or the network, but there is a hardware component which needs to be in tune with the that application part. So in that case, you can try it with any other handset if you have access to it. There are various technologies which have taken the world by storm, and you must have heard about augmented reality, virtual reality, those kind of things regularly. So today, for the first in the beginning, I'm going to show you an application of augmented reality application, that how we can. What is augmented reality is that it is a combination and overlay of a digital object on a physical object. So digital objects are the real objects like this room, wherever we are sitting, and we will create a digital object on the top of that. So what I'm going to do, say you can open your browser in the phone. It doesn't require any special kind of application, and you type tiger into it. On your screen you can see my mobile phone, and then we will scroll. Okay. So I'm going to type TIGER, tiger, and go, and then it will show me some results. let's see. There is this app Factor. You can download it from the Google Play Store or there. Was it okay. These applications, they keep on updating them regularly. And here you can see that there are many, it has a lot of content which you can check, say like the heart, the aeroplanes, how they fly, or you can say this is about human skull, ocean, and so many other things. So let us find which one will be interesting. Let's go with, where is that heart one? Okay, say like heart, and we can click on start. It will take time depending on the memory or the network speed. There are various augmented reality applications which have been developed. So this is, you can see where this is my room, and you can see, okay, I can click on happy place. So here the heart, and you can see by having it in the room, you can see on how it will. Okay, we can join, ask others to join here. This is the particularly portion of it. Okay, it will take a little time in uploading. So you can see so this is an Factor application which you can try. There are various examples, let's say like here on education, on human anatomy, CRT, cells, lymphatic, and other things, how they are working. Say like this is the AR body model. There is one application which is related to ISS, International Space Station. So the students, they can feel that those who are watching it, that how when they are in the up in this space. When fully upload, there is a sound in the background, but I think you won't be able to hear it because Google Meet doesn't allow sound that way in it. So here you can see that the human body has been placed, and then we can put it in such a way, and then there are various other objects surrounding it, and then we can change it. You can keep on clicking. You can unlock. Oh, sorry. I just clicked on the quit button. Anyway, I think I have shown this app which you can try at in your free time from whenever you get the time. So let me close it. Okay, then today we are going to see some of the tools which you can use. Some of them are good for increasing productivity, and some of them would be to enhance your research output. And then we will do some of the things which like Professor Srinivas told you that how you can create your own content if you have your own online course. So if we have the time, then we can work with that. Okay, first of all, let me show you an application. This is called as otter.ai. You can configure it, means it is a for first 30 minutes free. This is very good app for taking meeting notes or summarizing notes. And the good thing is that you can configure either your Google Meet or Microsoft Teams or Zoom application into it. So all these three works well. Say like right now, Dr. Priyanka or our good friend Dr. Pracheta or Prashant, they may be making notes of the session. But if you configure it, like let me show you a real live example of it on how we used it. Just some days ago, we had this meeting. It is a African project on which the team wanted to meet. So whatever is going on the screen, you see we are talking, and then it is capturing it and it is converting into. If you remember Professor Bakshi yesterday during inauguration, when he was speaking, the Google Meet was translating his English speech into Hindi, and that was being shown on the screen. In Google Meet, there is a challenge that, okay, you see here that a slide, the image has been captured by the software in itself. So if you are using a PowerPoint presentation, or if you are using a document to be seen, then it will take a snapshot of it automatically and will include it into it. And when you are going, so later on, once your meeting is over, then you can save all this text, and then you can process it. This will become your meeting notes. So here, as you can see on the right, you can take notes, you can highlight, you can make them comments or identify action items from there. So let me see if we can see. Okay, here you see the software has taken a snapshot of the presentation at that time into it. And it is the free version which we used here. Then I can share it with others. I can add other people. So you just see the a message has appeared. Otter added a screenshot. So it automatically it identifies that there is something being displayed, and it will include it into it. So here a screenshot has been added into the meeting notes, and then you can keep on going with that. So this is an application, Otter.ai. This is artificial intelligence activated. Get an AI meeting assistant that records audio, write notes, automatically capture slides, and it will generate the summary for you. So it is very helpful for increasing the productivity. And then here, as you can see, that it creates time-wise the meeting notes, and then from there you can identify, you can highlight them, going with that. So this is number one tool. Then you all know about Google as the search engine, but there is an interesting thing, and then perhaps you must have heard about Microsoft Bing, which is a very powerful search engine. because the Microsoft, it has activated ChatGPT and other generative AI tools into it. So this is Microsoft Bing, which you can, it says that ask real questions, get complete answers. So you can put your question into it. But then there is another interesting, I think you, most of you know about Bing, but I want to show you if you know about this site or not. This is called as u.com. So here it now includes GPT-4 and Stable Diffusion Excel. It has enhanced. So this is AI chatbot to search the web. And then there are many other inbuilt applications into it, like you write. So it will create a text for you. Like you can use this to write your blogs, your emails, or social media posts. Then you imagine, it will create stunning images for you. And then like shopping, social, and explore more than 150 apps which are inbuilt into it. You can get a browser extension so that it is integrated with the browser which you are using. Otherwise, simply if you tell it here, like say, let us search for blended learning. What it has done here, it is doing, on the left here, it is defining the blended learning. And then it is telling you some more questions. And this side, it is showing you the resources like Wikipedia, blended learning defined. These are the resources on which you can select and you can go. Similarly, here it shows you, like as in Google, the advantage of this tool over other search engines is that in other search engines, it don't give you the references. But here, it will give you the reference as well, which you can quote, and then you can check it, that how it goes with the in your information, in your research article, whatever you are using there. So this is quite good application. It is AI. Here you can see that I am an AI that can answer general questions, explain things, suggest ideas, translate, summarize text, compose emails, and something. So here, if you can tell that, okay, this is the text, and here you can say, please summarize this text. It may ask you to sign up, so you need to sign in. Okay, but then it can do these things which it is telling you. It can compose emails or write the code for you. Okay, those of you from in this session, if you are from computer science, you already may be knowing about ChatGPT, which can do many more things for you. But there is an interesting application which you can tell for your means if you have someone in your home who is doing programming. This is a better application. It is called as Code Whisperer. Let me share the link with you. And then the another one was, okay, Bing.com, and then another was u.com. You can try this. So this is Code Whisperer. Here you can see free for individuals, unlimited code suggestions, referencing, and 50 security scans also per user per month. And then you can ask it to write any code, like here parse CSV, which is comma separated value file, string of songs, and return the list, like in position, original chart, date, artist, title, etc. And then you can try that. So this is much more powerful for you to use it. And you can create code for various programming languages if you are developing certain code with that. Okay, so this is there. Now let us see I'm sharing this link with all of you on how to create a ebook or flip book for you. And let me give a demonstration for you that how this is an ebook of I created in Hindi. So say like you can pick up a page, and as you turn the page on your book, physical book, similarly you can use the arrow marks on the side of the book and table. Here it is the thumbnail. You can directly jump to any page and it will show you from there. This is called as flip book. The idea is that it gives a good visual representation. It reduces the size of the file as well, and then you will be able to embed it in your blog, in your learning management system, or wherever. You can share it with your audience by clicking on the share button as well. So let us try to work on it. I'm closing my screen sharing, and okay, call for volunteers. The person who is using the laptop and ready to share their screen, let me know. No one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Priyanka. Who wants to share their screen so that we can create? Yesterday we were talking about that you want the hands-on practice sessions. Now I'm inviting you for a hands-on session.
Any participant who wants to share their screen?
Definitely
Any one of you?
Those who are using laptop, it will be better, not the mobile phone. Mobile phone is a excellent student machine, not the teacher machine. Okay, Mani Singh?
Dr. Mani Singh.
Yes.
Dr. Mani Singh has raised her hand. Yes, Dr. Mani Singh, you can start sharing your screen.
You can share your screen, and it is preferable that you select entire screen when you share it. Go with that. Okay, in the meantime, other friends, kindly go to that link which I posted in the chat for AnyFlip. Go to anyflip.com and create your ID. There are only two things which need to be done: creating your ID and converting any book with that. Okay, Mani, please open a new tab. Click on this plus in the browser. Yes. And go to anyflip.com. Friends, you can look at the screen and follow the process with us. Okay, anyflip.com. Okay, Rekha is saying, just a minute. I have posted it again. Okay, Mani, now please click on the blue button which says sign up in the upper right corner. And there are 4 options with you. Either you can create with Google, that is the preferable one because it is really faster. You can use your Facebook, or you can type your email ID and other things. So select it. And then it will configure. It should not take much time. It's a matter of seconds. So those of other friends who are viewing it, do the same thing along with us. If you use your email,
लग गई है 10 दिन में लग गया वो कॉमन में से चेक करा देंगे कोई बात नहीं वो भी अगर तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम हुई तो बोल सकते हो उसका वो भी नहीं कराते वो ऐसी कुछ नहीं उनको बताना चीज को तो बच्चों को बोल दे कि मैं इतना खर्चूंगा जो मर्जी करा लो इसके बाद मेरे को पैसे नहीं है एक लिमिट दे दे इसके बाद जो पैसा लगेगा तुम्हारा लगेगा मेरे पैसे
friends, you can mute yourself. Yes, that's good. Mani, can you refresh your page because it should not take this much time it is taking. Let us see. Yes. So your ID has been created, and what we will do. Okay, this is part 1 that we need to just refresh it once more because it is not yet fully uploaded. Okay, and then do one thing. Now, this is part 1 that we have created our account on this platform. And I hope that others have also been successful in creating their ID. This is the page you will see it when you log into your account. Okay, thank you, Satya. Now, just keep it like this. Don't close it. But in your machine, please find either any PPT which has good images into it and some text, or any PDF which you have, or simply go to the longer way, open a blank MS Word document, add some text, add some photographs, save it as PDF. Ultimately, we will need a PDF document. So, Dr. Mani, do you have some PDF with you in which you have some images or maybe some PowerPoint presentation? Then open that PowerPoint presentation in which there are text and images and save it as PDF, whatever you can have. If there is any PDF document which has images, because it enhances the visual appeal of the document if you have certain images, like I showed it to you.
Sir, do I need to upload a PPT or PDF is better?
Anything. We have to upload the PDF. So if you have PPT, convert it into PDF, or if you have PDF, we will use it directly. Ultimately, we will be needing a PDF to upload it in the free version.
Sir, after signing up, what will we do?
Yes, I'll show it to you. Once you sign in, then search a document which you want to convert it as a flipbook. Okay, this will be good. Yes. Please remember where this document is. Either you can shift this document on the desktop so that it becomes easy, or remember the path from where this methodology paper is there. Okay, you can close this file. We don't need to keep it open. Just remember where this file is. Okay, go back to the our AnyFlip page. That tab, the AnyFlip tab. The next one, the third tab. No, in the upper top. There are 3 tabs. Next to, yes, this one, the next one. Yeah, okay. And then please, on the top there is an option called as quick upload. Please click on this to the left. Yeah, this one. Click on quick upload. Okay, friends. When you are here, you will see. Maniji, abhi thoda sa. Please wait here. Don't click on anything. Everyone, please pay attention to this screen. When you are logged in, you will be seeing this interface. All of you. Here, there are 2 options. Upload your PDF, which is for the free version, and there is option and upload your PPTX. That is for the subscribed or the paid version. So you don't need it. You just simply, if you have your PPT, convert it into, save it as, go to file, save as, and save as PDF. So that is the key. There is no limitation on the number of pages. Just remember that your PDF should be less than 150 MB. That's the only thing which it needs, not more than 150 MB. That's all. So Mani, please click on this blue button, upload your PDF. Yes.
Sir, what
yes,
should
yes.
be the limit of PDF?
150 MB.
Less than
That's-
150 MB. Okay.
Yes, less than 150 MB.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now you take that PDF, which, yeah, okay, and just wait. You are uploading it. First it is uploading, and then it will convert it into the flipbook form. And just see on the left below edit book, it has filled up the information automatically, like methodology, learner at all, etc. These things. So, okay, it is methodology, learner at all. It is converting it to the flip book now, and here it comes. Yes. Okay. So do you see there is a small button, save and close, below your book where the book has been created? Yes, please click on it. This blue button, save and close. And here is your book, the first book which you have created. So congratulations. Now, let me explain few things. After that, we will go inside the book. You see this add new book, below that there is a thumbnail of your book in this box below. Yeah, don't click it, just keep your mouse pointer on the top of it. Yes, this is the thumbnail of the book which is showing. Below it is the date of creation, date and time when you created it, and to the right of it the name of that book which it has taken from the metadata. To the right of it there are small 10 icons. You see to the right of it? Yes, the first one is the editing the book. Later on we will come back to this, so remember this has to be clicked when we want to edit the book. The second one is the editor. We want to do more things into it. The next one is to embed this book. Here it will give us the code, and as you can embed the YouTube videos into your learning management system or somewhere, we can embed this book anywhere you like, in your blog or any. Next is to share it. So okay, please click on this share button, and then see there are various methods in which we can share. You can share either QR code or click on this book link, the book link QR code. Yeah, click on it and copy, click Control C. Okay, and then below that it can directly send it to your social media as well. So close this window, only this smaller one. Okay, now go back to the our Google Meet and paste this link into the chat box so that everyone can see it. Okay, very good. Now come back to our book, and then the next is the go to the fifth icon after this share. Yes, this one. This is to disable this book. Suppose you don't want the people to access this book, so instead of deleting one, you can disable this book. They won't be able to see that. Next one is to edit the text version of this book, the PDF which you uploaded it. The next one is to allow the download of it. So if it is enabled, then the other people, they can download that book. The next one is to rearrange. At present you have only one flip book, but if you have more than 2, 3 and you want to rearrange them in sequence or order, then you can use this. The next one is to make a clone of your this book. Cloning means you keep the original one, but then you want to work on version 2, version 3, something like that. The next one is its visibility feature. There are 3 positions like on YouTube videos: public, private, and in your account only. So click on it. So it will show you either private or private on your any flip cloud or public on the web. At present it is anyone who has the access, they can cancel it. And the last one, very dangerous, to delete it. So that goes with that. Now let us see how this book works. Please come on the on your thumbnail and double click it. Yeah, green button, you can click on it. and it will open in the new tab. And now take a corner of the page and flip it. Just grab the, yes, this way. Keep on. Now you can do it this way. Otherwise, there are arrow keys on the top in the menu bar. You can use those. Yes, by clicking on it, you can go to the next page, previous page, the first page, and the last page. Yeah, this one. You can make it full size by clicking that square box. This one is the full screen mode. Okay, and then the lens icon is to zoom in, zoom out. This on the to the left, yeah, this one. This is to zoom in. Click on it, and then you can see you can enlarge the font size so that it becomes easily readable. Like the next is the thumbnail of these pages. The third icon. The next, right to that. The next one. The left. No, one. The left. Yeah, this one. Yes. Click on it, and you see below the pages they have appeared. If you click on any one, you can jump directly from there to your book. Now there is one thing. The book which I used, it had a beautiful background, green colors, lawns, trees, and those windmills, etc. But here it is all white. So let us think that how we can, enhance the visual appeal of our book. So please go back to the third tab, in which where we can edit the book. No, the tab in the browser. You see this manage. The next one, yeah, here, and click on the edit button in the box. Yes, the first one, this one, yes, edit book. So friends, here you will be back where we uploaded the book. And Mani, first of all, just left to it, you see there is a word written as edit book. Edit book. Below that there are 4 small. One is the book info, the first one, which is in blue color, the book info. Here you can give the title, description. The first one is the title, so you can rename the title. Description means add a summary, and those things you can fill up. It is a good idea to give keywords, because if it is on internet, Google or any other search engine, it will crawl, it will index it using keywords. It is always a good idea to give good keywords into it. And then please click on category. At present it is written none. Yes, click inside this book and you can see this is for classification. How do you want to represent your book? It pertains to auto, or it pertains to beauty, it pertains to business, or whatever it is. That way you can select it. Below that, allow readers to download PDF. At present it is yes. If you don't want that others should, then you can click it and remove this yes. Click again, it will be downloaded. Okay. Now go to next is the template, the book info. Next is the template. Yes. Here these are the backgrounds. You can scroll and any background which you like, just double click on that. Anyone, and just simply double click on that. And then wait. See? Wow. Wonderful. Okay. Now next, the third tab is advanced. Please click on that. Yes. So here it is like you can scroll little bit slowly. This is preloader settings. Go to toolbar settings. Below that, toolbar settings. At present our toolbar is black in color. Click on this toolbar settings and you can toolbar color. You see below there is toolbar color. It is black. Okay, go down and come to toolbar color. Yes, this one. Select any other color. And remember that at present our toolbar is black in color. So it will be, you can change it. These are the things which you can take control of it. Okay. And similarly, okay, you can modify all these things on your own one by one. The next is table of contents in the upper menu. This is to create a table of contents like chapter 1, chapter 2, etc. Whatever you can keep on typing. And the last one is bookmark. Bookmark means taking the reader directly jumping to a particular place. When you fix everything, please click again, save and close. Below your book, that small button, save and close, which you clicked previously. You see this? Yes, save and close. And double click your thumbnail of the book. Let us see it in full screen mode. And see, the toolbar color has changed, and the background has changed. Now you can, flip. There are various benefits of this one. Like it is lightweight, your original PDF maybe, and it is embedded. You can embed it in anywhere on your LMS in that. The original file will remain here. It won't occupy your space, and then its display is much better. And you can view it on your mobile phone as well. You just need the URL. You copy the URL, share it with your audience, and then they can see. So they can flip it like they're turning the pages into it. So this is clapping for Mani Singh that she has so successfully created that book. Okay, very good. Let me see in the chat box if anyone has. No, not yet. Okay, friends, who has worked with us and created their ebook? Please paste it and we will see it. Dr. Mani, please stay online. Don't close your. Okay, Anita ji ne bheja hai. Please click on this link. Let us see what is that. If you use a PPT with a lot of images, then it will give a. Oh wow, that's interesting. Very good. Okay, turn the pages. Good. See, it has become an ebook. Okay. Very nice. We have. This is wonderful work, Anita ji. Good. Radhika is saying tried 2-3 steps. There are only 2 steps in a way. Create your ID, which you did. Upload the book. Rest it will do. And there are various ways. Either you can click on these arrowheads on the middle of the screen along the book, or turn the page, or use the upper toolbar. There are 3 ways in which you can turn the pages. Okay, so this is how I suggest that you try to see the impact of it. Enhances the quality. It is something like, however smart we are, but if we have our photograph on our Aadhaar card, it will reduce. But however ugly we are, although no one is ugly, but Instagram enhances the beauty. It works something like Instagram. It will enhance the visual appeal of your graphics into it. Okay, Parthiben has sent. Mani Singh, please click on, let us see this one, and then we will go to the next. Yeah, I think this is a PPT because it is a 16:9 ratio. Okay, go ahead. See, wonderful work. There are how many? 22 pages. Good. Yes. Doesn't it look like a flipping book? And I think it gives a much better impression than the normal PDF. Boring, deadly scrolling like that. Here it is. And then you can zoom in, zoom out. You can do all those kind of things within there. Okay, very good. Now let us go with some of the important tools, and I will request Dr. Mani Singh to stay. Now, friends, we all are teachers. You keep on writing. Either you write lessons for your students or you write research articles for yourself. And then if you have written an article for a research paper, it goes to the editor reads it. Or you have written your lessons, you can give it to your students, and the students read your language. I think yesterday somebody was requesting about language things, language tools or something like that, you know. So
Yes, sir.
when you write something, how do you want your readers to do this or do this? Like that. There is a good tool for that to let you know that how you can improve. There is a difference. I think everybody must have heard about Grammarly application. Grammarly does a okay, let me show you. Dr. Mani, please click on this plus icon, the new tab.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and write Grammarly for Word. This is a free extension which you can use it free of cost, and it works really well. Grammarly for Word, you can write.
Grammarly for one.
Here, Grammarly for your desktop. You can click on that. So this is a very good AI-based Get Grammarly. It is free. It is written. Don't means you can. I am just showing it to you because it takes time, and within our dedicated time duration of this session, we won't be able to do the practice of everything. I'm just showing it that go ahead and use it. But Grammarly checks the grammar of your text, but it doesn't tell you that what is the difficulty level of your text. I'm going to show you two applications for that. Please open a new tab and type here Gunning, Gunning, Gunning Fog Index. Yeah, this is Gunning Fog Index. Oh, thank you, Radhika ji. May I request someone to copy and save all these links which are appearing in the chat box and add them to your WhatsApp group so that later on you all can see. Okay, Radhika, Dr. Mani, please do one thing. There is this Wikipedia, right click and open in a new tab. This first one, the below one. Yeah, right click and open in a new tab. Okay, and then click on the first tab now, Gunning Fog Index, the first one.
No, this one.
Yes, this one, yes. I want that one. Okay, friends, this is very simple application. Mani, can
Yes,
you copy this URL here and type it into the chat box for the ease of everyone?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Okay, now go back. Please do one thing. Do you have any lesson written by you in MS Word, any text? Copy and paste in this box.
This box.
Any article, whether it is written by you or by anyone. Do you have some paragraph, say, of 100 words or something like that? Friends, rest of you also try to do that. Just open this box, paste some content into it. Yeah, just select 2-3 paragraphs. Okay. Yeah, I think this much will be okay. Now copy it, Control C, and come here, Control V, and click on Calculate. Okay, this is the result. See what is written on the screen. Gunning Fog Index is 15.28. The number of major punctuation marks are 16. The number of words 330. And number of 3 plus syllable is 58. Okay, keep this screen. Now let us see. Our result is 15.28. Let us see what does this mean. Please click on that last Wikipedia tab.
This one, sir.
Yeah, this one. There is a table into it. We need that table. Can you just scroll little bit so that this table on the right is clearly visible? Yeah, bas. Itna hi theek hai. Okay, see friends, what this table indicates that if your fog index is 6 like that, it means that it is as simple as chhati ka bachcha usko samajh jayega. And the higher it is, it means the difficulty level is that much.
Okay.
Here, this text is, you can see from their stages that its complexity level. Now go back to our gunning fog index. Here you see all these blue highlighted words. If you want to bring the index to a lower level, you can replace these words. You have to do it manually. Computer won't. Grammarly can do that, but here it is just level of it. This is one application, gunning fog index. There is another one. अभी हमारा ये टेक्स्ट मेमोरी में ही है. So one, please click on the plus icon, tab, open a new tab.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and type here Hemingway app. You know Hemingway, Ernest Hemingway, वो वाला Hemingway. HEMMING. Okay, Hemingway app. ठीक है. Okay, the first link, Hemingway editor. Okay. And can you share this URL in the chat with everyone?
Sure, sir.
Okay, good. Go back and delete this text which is in the center. Select it. The app highlights. Okay. If you want to read it, you can read it because these are the instructions. Delete, press delete. And press Ctrl V because that text may still be in the memory which we used in the previous.
No, sir.
Yeah, sorry. Let's go back to that file which it may still be open. Okay, now here just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, friends, just see this is a little more explanatory. Center के अंदर तो आपने जो text paste किया with different color combinations, color coding. See on the right, the grade 13. It is still very high according to it. Okay, aim for 9. It is also suggesting you कि भाई इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे लाओ. Total word है 338. Now this is a good analysis that there are 4 sentences out of 15 sentences which are very hard to read. There are 3 sentences which are hard to read. So total मिलाकर 15 में से 7 sentence 50% तो hard है, difficult है. There is one phrase which has a simpler alternative, like if attain word जो लिखा है ना पहली लाइन में, उसके ऊपर माउस पॉइंटर लेकर जाओ तो उसको ये इसका एक अल्टरनेटिव दिखा सकता है ये. If you hover your mouse pointer sometimes in the memory, it can suggest. There are 5 uses of passive voice. देखो जैसे वो it is suggesting you that you do it, want to do it or not. So this way, you can use this one, and all the best for your better language expression, the written one that can be used with that. Okay. Any questions related to this? Okay.
Sir, like it was saying that it's very difficult and complex. So how many words it is showing in blue color? That means I need to ponder over it and make it simple with the other options.
What you can do, you have your original text. From here you can see these words and change in your original, because if you change it here, then you have to copy paste and bring it back. This is the website. It is just indicating that what are the difficult words which you need to convert into simple words,
Fine.
so that overall language becomes simpler.
Simple.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
good. Okay, now for some of the friends who were requesting for language, okay, can you keep on typing if I tell you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is one website. It is called as TALK
TALK.
talkpal.ai.
Talk all.
PAL, talkpal, PAL, P for Pakistan.
AI. Okay.
Yes. Can you go to the AI language teacher, talkpal? Friends, using this, you can use 15 minutes free for every day in the free version. And I think 15 minutes in the most efficient way to learn a language. And you will practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Mani, please scroll a little bit. Which language do you want to learn? एक बार देखो उसको हल्का सा और देखो रुको इंग्लिश स्पेनिश फ्रेंच इटालियन जर्मन यूक्रेन कोरियन चाइनीज जापानीज इतना हिंदी भी है और देयर आर 42 लैंग्वेजेस मोर like that. So you can you need to create your sign up and then you can try using it. This is a app. You can do it later on because it will take time and then you need to format it. I'm just showing you the अलग से एक और टैब खोलो नया और वहां लिखो Duolingo. आप में से कोई एक जना साथ के साथ करके गूगल की चैट में यदि लिंक्स को शेयर करता रहे तो अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि डॉक्टर मनी करेंगी तो वो स्विच साइन अपना उनको स्क्रीन चेंज करना पड़ता है. ओके, duolingo.com. यस फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर फ्री ऐप फॉर लर्निंग ए लैंग्वेज, Duolingo, and this is AI based application. It works very well on your computer. It works very well on your mobile phone as well. You can download it. You can learn a language for free. वो देखो सामने ही लिखा है. And this is an example. अभी जो प्रोफेसर श्रीनिवास कह रहे थे adaptive, उस वक्त मैं सोच रहा था कि आप में से कोई पूछेगा या कोई जानना चाहेगा कि adaptive language कैसे करते हैं, उसका कोई आपको proof कैसे हो. This is the proof for adaptive language. Because when you install it, it will ask you कि आप पहले कितना जानते हैं किसी चीज के बारे में, और वहां से फिर ये स्टार्ट करेगा. Whether you are beginner, intermediate, expert or something, and then इसका इंटरफेस बहुत अच्छा है. It is a gaming kind of. It will give you rewards. It will show you prompts, something. This is one of the good examples of how we should teach in our own classroom. तो ये एप्लीकेशन है Duolingo. इसके साथ एक और एप्लीकेशन है, वो इसी की इम्प्रूव्ड वर्जन है. मनी ऊपर लिखना वहां पर Duolingo Max. हाँ, Duolingo Max, MAX. तो कॉम हटाकर और स्पेस देकर MAX. .com हटा दो, नहीं तो वो कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा. थैंक यू सोनम. अलका जी यूज कर रहे हैं, वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक. नहीं, दोबारा लिखो Duolingo और Max, MAX.
This one.
हाँ ठीक है, लिखो, एंटर करो. ये नीचे जो दिख रहा है आपको, Duolingo uses OpenAI GPT for new learning features. हाँ ओके, पहले वाला भी खोल सकते हो आप, जो यस, व्हाट इज यस. This is a tool which includes the power of AI. For both are the same. They are for language learning, but you can try them differently. Okay. Then let's go to another tool, which is one more only for means language. After that, we will shift to other. Okay, Manu, please open a new tab and type this time Lango Talk, LANGO.
Sir, I have a query.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, this Max one, is it a free tool?
हाँ, with some limitations. Most of them they are free.
Okay, okay. Sir.
Langotalk.org. Okay, enter. So here, please read it. Master Spanish faster by chatting with AI. French. Transform your language learning experience with personalized AI chatbot tools. And here, if you can scroll down, you can use your mobile phone also to install it, and it will show you that how this application can help you in learning by interacting with the AI thing. Okay. So this is langotalk.org, and the last one is PRAK, P for Pakistan, R for Russia, PRAK, PIKA, Practica, dot AI. Okay, press enter. Yeah, first one. So this you can see that for your iPhone or for your Google Play, you can install it on your mobile phone. If you can scroll down, it will show you its features, that means other things about it from the website. You can check it from there. Okay, so this is for you. That. Now let us come to some of the good sites which will help you for your research, and one of them is, yeah, thank you Sonamji. Okay, you are using Chrome. Are you using Chrome? Yes, you are using Chrome. Okay, very good. Mani,
Yes, sir.
please write CASPER, Casper Chrome extension. CASPER.
Continuously extension, sir.
नहीं space देकर. It is a Chrome extension actually. It is free, AI based, which is very good for research. It can scan your document. Okay, सबसे पहले वाले को क्लिक कर लो. इसका हम एक लाइव एग्जांपल करके देखेंगे.
Okay, sir.
Friends, please pay attention that how you can install extensions, because many people they do not know that how the extension is installed in a browser. तो मैंने इसको क्लिक करो और हम थोड़ा सा धीरे चलेंगे यहाँ.
Yes, sir.
जब आप इसको क्लिक करोगे तो आपको ये वाला स्क्रीन दिखाई देगा, और ये आपके स्क्रीन पर मशीन पर यदि ये इंस्टॉल नहीं है तो हाँ, बस गूगल मीट वाला बंद मत करना.
Sure, sir.
Click on that Casper AI वाला last link. Yes, friends, आप सिंपली सर्च में Casper Chrome एक्सटेंशन लिखने के बाद ये सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए. Add to Chrome को क्लिक करो, जो ब्लू बटन है Add to Chrome सामने ही. Yes, and next click Add extension. You need to give the permission. Yes. And then wait, it is checking, and it has been added. Okay, now ये ऐड हो गया. हमें अभी इसको एक्टिवेट करना है, and then we will start be using it. Now आप में से कौन बताएगा कि ब्राउजर चाहे फायरफॉक्स है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज है, क्रोम है, कोई भी है, हर किसी के अंदर फैसिलिटी होती है एक्सटेंशंस की, लेकिन उसका आइकन दिखने का वो अलग अलग है। इन क्रोम इट इज समथिंग लाइक लीफ लाइक, वो यू नो द कैनेडियन नेशनल सिंबल ऑफ द लीफ, मैपल लीफ। क्रोम के अंदर भी इफ यू गो टू द अपर, हाँ मिता जी
सर राइट साइड पे आ रहा है यहाँ ब्लैक कलर।
yes, on the upper right corner, the fourth icon from the right, below जहाँ पर आपका प्रोफाइल फोटो है उससे थर्ड वन, एक लाइन नीचे, या this one, this leaf like, click on it. This is where all your extensions which you install will reside here. Okay, there are 4 things now. The first one is the logo, वो जो आप इसको कौन सा कलर बोलते हो, वायलेट या
पर्पल वायलेट,
पर्पल और वायलेट। मेरा कलर कोडिंग स्कीम बड़ा गंदा है। First is the logo, then next is the name, and third you see a pin icon. You need to click it and it will turn blue. When it turns blue, it will appear upper in the browser URL bar, and then there are 3 dots. Please click on these 3 dots. It gives you the extra features about it, and you can remove it from here as well later on if you want. Abhi nahi karna, but from here I'm telling you that if you later on, if you think remove, here from here we remove it. Okay, now click outside somewhere. Okay, and click on that Casper AI icon which is there now in the toolbar next to Chrome wala, हाँ इसी को click करो। डबल क्लिक करो या रिफ्रेश कर लो एक बार अपने ब्राउजर को, इसी सेट को। Okay, click again, it will open it. Okay, in a new tab, open any research paper online. Say go to springer.com, any journal you know in your area. Open any article, go to latest issue, or okay, can you scroll? No, just open any article which is in web page. We can see something from there. Click on anyone. Okay, now click that Casper icon. Yes. Okay, good. See, my name is Casper. I'm Chrome extension that helps you to summarize, understand, and share the learning of any written content on the web. Sign below to get. Can you click on sign in with Google? Okay, and please click allow, and it will ask you 1, 2, 3 more questions. Okay, you can select, tell it that I am a say writer, and then I use for research and study. Okay, save. Now click on summarize this page and let's see the magic. अब ये आपकी मशीन पे तो एटलीस्ट अब ये यूं का यूं काम करेगा। नेक्स्ट टाइम you just go to a page you want, it will give a summary to you for a long article. ये इसका summary आ गया यहाँ पर। If you can scroll it, and then there are these other things like counter, वो जो नीचे इसके options हैं, you can ask other questions, insights, and then there are other features into it, more actions, these things. So, and if you compare the highlights which are written on the left or the abstract, you can compare it. It gives you a brief summary.
Great, sir. It's a great tool for us.
Thanks to you. You have done a wonderful work. अमिता जी, मेंडली जो है वो एक तरीके से रेफरेंस मैनेजमेंट टूल है. मेंडली, जोटेरो and EndNote or OneNote, those kind of things. They help you for your references. Here it is giving you the summary in different words, not the copying the abstract as such and giving it to you. So that's the difference. And here you can see elaborate, suggest actions, explain like I am 5. Like I am 5 means 5वीं क्लास का बच्चा हूँ. एक वो सीरियल भी आता था ना, 5th grader, something. These things, they are there in that. And this is now on your screen in your browser extension. You don't need to download, upload. And in fact, there is a facility that it can ask you that you can upload your own PDF into it, and then it can summarize those things with you. Okay, good. अच्छा, इसका तो URL अनीता जी ने शेयर कर दिया था. Let's go with the next tool. That is a very good tool, but उसके अंदर एक है फ्री के अंदर आपको 3 ही डॉक्यूमेंट करने को देगा, but it is superb. I have used it. Please type HUMATA.
Sir, is Casper free?
CASPER.ai. Casper AI. हाँ, फ्री है.
MAP?
फ्री. अभी देखो मनी जी ने कहाँ पैसे दिए, यूज किया ना उसको.
Yes, sir. It's wonderful.
Okay, type Himata AI.
This one, sir. Hinata.
No, HUMATA.
Okay.
Human वाला Himata.
Humata AI.
Yes, Himata AI. ये बड़ा मस्त टूल है. मुझे लगता है कि आप इसको एक बार यूज कर लोगे तो कहोगे कि यही चाहिए. Ask anything about your files. So for those of you who have to do lot of literature review or anything, it tells you, it does the post-mortem of your files. You can ask, but you need to create a sign up. So first of all, let us quickly, Mani, please click on sign up. Yes, that won't take more time. लेकिन बाकी आप लोग भी हमारे साथ करो. तो पासवर्ड अलग वाला, आपकी ईमेल वाला पासवर्ड नहीं डालना है यहाँ पर.
अच्छा, पासवर्ड अलग डालना है सर.
हाँ, ईमेल का पासवर्ड नहीं चाहिए. It is email is your email, but password you choose for this site only, not your real original password. You can select any password and sign up. It may send you a code to that email ID. You can save it if it is your own machine. Okay, save it or don't save it. Now let us do one thing. Please click on upload and upload a PDF research paper. Okay, wait, uploading. Okay, click on ask, which is in front of this file name. Yes. And just wait. What it is going to do? Right में आपका डॉक्यूमेंट आएगा. आ गया. अब लेफ्ट में आप इससे अब कोई क्वेश्चन पूछो. Ask a question about this document. Please, okay, यहाँ पे लिखो. Which sampling method has been used? Wait.
It's a review article, sir. So it will not show this.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, depending on any other thing, a systematic review of. Okay, you can say that. What are the recommendations? हाँ, वो मुझे भी ध्यान नहीं रहा, वो systematic review है ये. Okay. ये आपको वो बता रहा है, and it is not copy paste.
Yes, sir.
If you read the answer, then it has taken the text from there, analyzed it, understood it, and returning you the result on the left, this side.
A fantastic tool, sir.
This is wonderful tool.
It's a beauty of AI. Definitely,
Yeah,
I would
that
like to say here.
Power of AI. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Anji.
Will it also tell us about the quality of research?
Okay. What is your question?
Sir, like when we are doing systematic review.
No. Tell Mani to type this question and let us see what it does.
Okay. If I ask, as per Jonas Briggs quality assessment, what is the quality of this study?
Okay, Mani, please type.
Yes, ma'am. As per
Jonas Briggs. It will be, I think, JOHNASBRIGGS.
It may say, because it will try to find John's in this document. Otherwise, let us try. There is no harm because you can ask.
Sir, whenever we do systematic review, then we also do the quality of study which we select, and
Let us see,
that is what I was asking, whether they have done or not, or
the article does not mention any comment from John.
so they have not done.
That was what I was telling. Okay, it will. But if you try, okay.
So, but sir, it's an answer. It's an
But
answer.
please analyze the quality of this study.
Quality of evidence also we can say.
Okay. Let us see what it will do. This is works very well for summarizing. Okay, can you scroll from the where what it has started answering this question? The study conducted this, and the overall quality of each study was assessed, etc., etc. It has. So you can read it and then you can make your own opinion from here.
And sir, how much does it cost? This app.
Since it is a free account, Mani has created, she can analyze 3 documents.
No, but if you want to assess more documents, then
if you want to go, okay, Mani, can you click on the Himata icon in the upper left corner?
yes, sir. This one, sir.
Yes, this icon. Okay, it will take you to the main page, and okay, it's subscription. Can you click on your profile icon, that the small upload se upar jo hai, and account. Okay, click on plan. Yes. Okay. $15 per month. Unlimited questions, unlimited PDF, chat support, etc.
oh, okay. Thank you.
In the free version, up to 60 pages for free. Maximum document size 60 pages that we are seeing.
This one is here.
आपको एक और टूल बताता हूँ मैं इसी तरह का. Open a new tab.
Yes, sir. I'll just paste this for our.
ठीक है.
If someone is interested, they can use it.
अब वो अभी किसी ने प्लीज वाला पूछा था. या इट कैन आइडेंटिफाई PLZ और PL और PLEASC etc. That can identify. इतना अकल हमारा AI रखता है. So that is okay. Okay, Mani, please go to semanticscholar.org. This is a free website for research scholars. Semantic Scholar, one word. Semantic Scholar, one word. Yeah, okay, this first one. Yes. इसको open करो.
This one is right, sir.
This is a free AI-powered research tool for scientific literature. and just type any topic on the paper you want to search. एक तो ये आपका जो साइन इन वाला छोटा बॉक्स है ना, इसको क्लोज कर दो, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. यस, नाउ टाइप से फॉर एग्जांपल आप अपनी रिसर्च से अनिता जी किस चीज के ऊपर सर्च करें, बोलो.
Predictors of weight loss outcome among obese patients.
लिखो.
What, ma'am? Sorry?
Predictors of
successful weight loss outcome.
ये देखो जैसे जैसे आप टाइप कर रहे हो ना, वो नीचे मैचिंग पेपर आपको दिखाते जा रहा है. एंड दीज आर द रिसर्च पेपर्स. मेरी एक आप लोगों की एक राय है, चैट जीपीटी बहुत पॉपुलर हो रहा है
among obese patients.
लेकिन उसके ऊपर भरोसा मत करना. अमेरिका के अंदर कुछ वकील लोगों की जॉब खतरे में हो गई है. उन्होंने क्या किया, चैट जीपीटी को यूज करके एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंदर अपना केस बना दिया, और जिसके अंदर उसने कुछ ऑलरेडी केसेस को कोट भी कर दिया कि जी ये कोर्ट थे, और बड़ा सब कुछ, सभी लोग बड़े इम्प्रेस उससे, वाओ क्या प्रेजेंटेशन किया इन्होंने. बट व्हेन इट वाज इन्वेस्टिगेटेड दे वर ऑल नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट केसेस. मेरा ख्याल है वो वकील जेल के अंदर चैट जीपीटी से बात कर रहे हैं. चैट जीपीटी बी यूज योर ओन investigation as, but here it is returning you the real studies which it can help you in identifying.
मनी obese के spelling ठीक कर दो please. OBESE.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can go, you can view the PDF, you can see the citations, you can cite this document. Actually citation is a big problem. आप लोग आर्टिकल ले लेते हो, फिर उसको APA में करना है, MLA में करना है, किस में करना है, इट्स ए बिग प्रॉब्लम. हियर इफ यू क्लिक ऑन साइट, यस क्लिक करो, और ये देखो आपको कितने सारे वो आपको फॉर्मेट दे रहे हैं. लिव टेक्स्ट, MLA, APA, शिकागो, वो करके आप उसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हो या सिंपली कॉपी कर सकते हो.
Like this.
Like this, simple, and then copy it in your work. That way it gives you. So this is a research scholars search engine. You know, it will give you the relevant researches. Okay, the another one is Research Buddy, RESEARCH, Research BUDDY, Research Buddy .app. वन वर्ड है रिसर्च बडी. हाँ ये आ गया ना. ओके,
Which one, sir?
करो एंटर करो, पहले वाला ही. इसमें आपको साइन अप करना पड़ेगा, बट अदरवाइज उसके बाद ये आपको वो ऊपर लिखा है ना, न्यू रिव्यू और समथिंग ऐसे करके, देन इट विल आल्सो हेल्प यू इन रिव्यूइंग योर वर्क. So if it can sign up quickly, then we can see. Otherwise, you can try it in your free time.
When I tried, if it will be quick, then you will say. Otherwise.
Okay. In the meantime, open a new tab. Yeah, ये आ गया ना यहाँ पर. Fill out the subject and prepare literature review to start the process.
Okay. So,
Okay. Weight loss लिख दो simply. Go. We are currently compiling key themes and papers for the topic. We will email you once it is ready. You can view your topic history by tapping this link and the burger icon on the top right. Okay, it is doing the work and then it will inform you. Okay, then another tool. Open a new tab.
Sir, can I ask a question?
हाँ जी बोलो.
So, sir, if a PhD student decides on a topic and does this review of literature through this tool, is it okay?
Yeah, it is perfectly okay. You use calculator for doing your calculations.
Oh. So,
It is simply a tool. The only thing
sir,
that
but sir, the point is, like when the student writes a review of literature, one reads so many articles fully, and then tries to look at the gap area.
Yes.
So here one is using like हम जैसे कहते हैं ना पकी पकाई खिचड़ी जो मिल रही है तो उसमें वो स्किल तो नहीं बना पता ना
नहीं. That kind of analysis, that kind of gap identification, the researcher has still to do themselves.
Okay. So, but it will be accepted. Like if we
It will be, yes. You won't be able to identify whether the person has used the tool or not.
plagiarism, it will clear plagiarism.
You won't.
So, and sir, another
Only
question.
there is one website. We will show it to you. You can use it to find whether it is AI generated text or not.
Sir, another question I wanted to ask you with your permission. So when under UGCF, we are going to teach research to undergraduate students.
Yes.
So all these tools have to be taught to them.
I think it will be a good idea because it saves a lot of time.
Yes, sir.
And then
Because-
it helps those who are weak in research.
Yes, sir. Because conventionally we have been doing things different way. So until unless we learn it. So thank you very much for giving us.
देखिए a simple चीज है that we can't close our eyes. These tools, they are going to stay here and rather more powerful things are coming up. आप लोग अभी चैट जीपीटी 3.5 पर ही उलझ रहे हो. चैट जीपीटी 5 भी आ गया है मार्केट के अंदर. तो it's not available for public as such. And then this Sam Altman, who is the creator of ChatGPT, he has said that the ChatGPT 10 will be altogether a complete thing. You never know that it will be talking to you like I'm talking to you. It will become so powerful. So those things. Okay, Dr. Mani, please type GPT-0. Let me show you. आप लोगों को टीचर हो ना तो स्टूडेंट्स को पकड़ने के लिए हमारे पास कोई हथियार भी होना चाहिए. GPT-0, ZERO. Okay. Enter. So पहले वाला. This is the tool which you can use to find whether the student they have used all this, and not only that, it can use Bard, which is by Google, or the other tools. थोड़ा scroll कीजिए. This is AI detection. In fact, Turnitin, if you have used Turnitin,
Yes, sir.
Turnitin has already integrated the software. You can upload any file if it is to check, or you can copy paste the text and it will tell that whether this is the AI generated text or not. So this is called as GPT-0.
So I have one question.
हाँ प्रीति बोलो.
सर जैसे प्लेजरिज्म चेक करने के लिए हमारी वर्ड लिमिट होती है दूसरे उसमें, इसमें कुछ ऐसा है प्लेजरिज्म चेक करने के लिए पूरा?
बल्कि एक noplag.com एक वेबसाइट है, आप उसको यूज कर सकते हो. क्योंकि उर्कुंड शायद आप लोगों को इंस्टीट्यूशन के थ्रू मिलेगा. टर्निटिन और ऑथेंटिकेट पेड सॉफ्टवेयर हैं. बट देयर इज noplag noplag.com एक वेबसाइट है that you can use. Mani, can you type it in a new tab?
Yes, sir.
In a new tab, noplag.com. PLAG.com. You can use it. You can upload your file, you can copy paste something, you can do it.
So there are many plagiarism checking files, search engines in the website, free also.
Yeah, but you need to see that sometimes those sites are how much powerful they are. Just remember that the free sites, they will always have some limitation as compared to the subscribed, because they are created using lot of funding, lot of research goes into them. So they are no match for them. But those people who can't pay, it's a good service for them. Okay, now one more tool for research. After that, very quickly, I will show you some of the funny things of AI. Please open a new tab and go to elicit.org. ELICIT. CIT.org.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you need to create your sign up, and after that you ask a question, and then it will show you. It will show you the researches related to that, how many citations were there, means a complete fill with your keyword. It is like a research Google for you. It is written, it is AI research assistant. Elicit uses language models to help you automate research workflow. Like parts of literature, it can find relevant papers without perfect keyword match, summarize takeaway from the paper specific to your question, and extract key information from the paper. While answering questions with research is the main focus, there are also other research tasks that help brainstorming, summarization, and text classification. So you need to create your sign up on it and then work using that. Okay. Now, little bit some of the interesting applications. There is one very okay, Anitaji.
Sir, one question. So, like if the student is say searching through Wiley and Scopus, other engines, and one also searches through Elicit, so this can all go together in the methodology, can be done together, or one has to do separately?
You have to take your decision that which one explains better the intent of your work.
Okay.
Every tool will give the result in their own unique way.
Okay.
Then we need to decide that this is much better than A or B or C or D.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mani, please open a new tab. And this time, I hope that it will not ask you to create a ID for you. Roam around, R-O-A-M, one word, A-R-O-U-N-D, roam around. Okay, press, yeah, roam around AI. Friends, this is very good app for you. If you are going somewhere, like आजकल तो दिल्ली के अंदर बहुत गर्मी हुई है, पहले वाला. This is a beautiful app to give you a complete itinerary for you of the areas where you can go and see like that. अभी वो जी.डी. शर्मा जी को मैंने बताया था, वो जोधपुर जा रहे थे, कहते बहुत मजा, इतनी सारी चीजें इन्होंने दिखाई कि वो पता खुद भी नहीं पता. जो पहला लिंक है उसको क्लिक करो. And then type, okay, just type here Shillong. Shillong is my favorite place. You can type any place, any city. Just the name of the city will be okay. If you write Indore or Bhopal or Venice.
So is that roamaround.ai or another one? IO.
Yes. And see very quickly. Bhopal. Can you scroll down? Morning. Start your day. Visit to magnificent Bharat Bhavan, a multi-arcs, and then it is showing you some pictures of that. Afternoon में आप अपर लेक पे जाओगे. इवनिंग में कहाँ जाएंगे? चौक बाजार. फिर दूसरे दिन में ताजुल मस्जिद देखनी है आपने, ऐसे करके. This is fantastic application. Okay, and then let us close by showing you two funny, means interesting apps, not funny. One is Gita GPT, Gita GPT.in. Those of you who are religious minded, they want to learn about Gita, you can ask any question about Srimad Bhagavad Gita like that. Okay, click on it. This is AI powered. Unlock your spiritual knowledge. And can you scroll it? If you want to talk Yogeshwar, Dwarkadish, if you want to ask something Krishna, you can click on that, ask your question, and then it will, yeah, okay, ask Krishna, click. I think it will ask you to create your ID. Let us see. And similarly, there is another app. It is called as bhagavadgita.ai. And it starts with Radhe Radhe. That is very interesting. Okay, friends, there are these things I wanted to share with you. Actually, there are many important applications, but we need more time. Actually, it is a 1 or 2 full day things which can be work, which can enhance the power of your productivity as a productivity tools. The work you do means anyhow you are doing many things manually, but if we use it, it makes some of our tasks easier. So that way, so friends, please give a big clap to Dr. Mani Singh for her wonderful work. And I hope that I could have done it, no problem with me, but then my speed would have remained faster. And so I thought that if someone of you joins with me, you all are on the same speed working that. So Priyanka ji, back to you. Mani, you can close your screen sharing now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I got this opportunity to learn hands-on training.
सभी लोग मनी जी को थैंक यू बोलो.
Thank you, Mani ma'am.
Yes.
Most welcome, ma'am.
You can stop your screen sharing. Or I would like to thank our all colleagues, those who have taken the trouble of copying and pasting those URLs. I think someone of you will be posting them into your WhatsApp group so that everybody takes the benefit. Okay, because this Google Meet chat will be disappearing as soon as the session is closed. So you need to save it, copy paste it. Okay, Priyanka ji, back to you.
Yes, sir. Now I would like to ask our participants if they have any query.
Yes.
Radhika.
Ji, Radhika ji.
Radhika, you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
Thank you so much, sir. This is not exactly query, but as a request, if we can have more session on this, because we get to know more as in the websites, etc. But we still need some hands-on experiences to get and to internalize certain things. But it was wonderful. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure. Since you are now part of our FDP community, when we have our next programs, we will keep you informed, and you will be most welcome to join.
Anyone else? Any other participant? So I think learning technology is the need of the hour, and we as faculty members, definitely we cannot escape from it. Technology can be a crucial tool to enhance teaching and learning. Sir, we are really grateful to you for teaching us so many artificial intelligence tools which can be used by us to manage our research work, students, and even classroom issues. So I think this is the beauty of attending such programs, that you get to listen so many experts of their respective fields. I hope that everyone attending this FDP will try to incorporate these tools in their teaching method. It was a very interesting and informative session, sir. I once again thank you for sharing your knowledge with us. Thank you so much, sir.
And then this has been outcome-based workshop, because some of our friends, they created their flip book. So this is the real outcome, that they were able to do it. And I'm very sure that the rest will also do later on and share it as a part of their work. You can upload it. Oh friends, this reminds me, the flip book which you have created, you get the embedding code, and perhaps you can embed it in the LMS under your activity from there, or in your Moodle or any other learning management system you are using. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye-bye, and see you all tomorrow.
Yes, sir. I once again thank you all the participants to be with us. Thank you so much.
Bye friends. Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Bye.
Good night, sir.